Hey, good evening. Dan Fitzpatrick here, stockmarketmentor.com, and I want to look at CODX, Co-Diagnostics. Now, this is a stock that's been on our growth stock list. We first got into this on 5/8 back here. I think, just this last Friday, right here, when it started pushing above 15. I'd traded a few times before starting there, but so on 5/8 we got into this, and the rationale was, this is a COVID-19 stock. Okay, great. This is the way it was setting up, and you can see, this is kind of a textbook setup. The best entry was back here. That was the time when you go, oh crap, this thing's going someplace. You could even say, back here was a good entry. If we really want to get anal retentive and revisionist, we can go back there. But this was a time when you could look at the stock and say, okay, I like the way this is trading. But this big explosion was the big tip off. But there are plenty of entries here. So now we're here, you're looking for 15, right? You're looking for 15. And finally, it comes here, right there. Okay, so you're in here, and the idea here is that institutions are buying the stock, and nobody knows when earnings are, and then the stock keeps moving up, 8-day moving average, and then we're looking at this level here, this last high of 21.75. Okay, that's the ultimate parabolic high. That's when all the fools we're buying this right at the top, and they're the ones that have been selling for the last couple months. Okay, so now you're saying, like, I'm going to be a seller of this stock when it gets back up to that level, and boom, there it is. That thing is back up today, but you don't sell the stock, and the reason you don't sell the stock is literally the stock is still moving after hours. It just keeps, let me pull it up to speed here. It just keeps going up. Let's do it that way so I don't make you dizzy and pass out. It just keeps going higher and higher and higher. Now, yesterday, the company announced that they're reporting earnings after the bell tomorrow. The way this stock is trading, seriously, like my price target was 20. The way this stock is trading, it would not surprise me to see this stock hit 30 bucks tomorrow. So I'm looking at this really, really hard as a day trade. And that will be, if it hits 30 tomorrow, that's going to be a double for us on our growth stock list. We've had a couple others that have been really good, but this could be the best. I don't know that it's going to be. Hell, the thing might be at 15 tomorrow. But the way this momentum is going, I'd say if the stock trades above 25, my bet is it'll be going to 30 tomorrow. So that's your trade. You see how that works. Members, I did like a 40-minute video tonight, at least half of which is devoted to how you can be trading this stock with maximum exposure and minimum risk. And it's not that hard, but there is a process to it, and I'm totally laying it all out for you. And I will just say this. The process that I'm explaining to you tonight, you can use that and should use that on this stock tomorrow. It'll make you a bunch of money if the stock works out. If the stock works out, you will find with the process that I'm showing you that you will have a better ability to trade bigger without being all nervous. Okay, so look at that video. And by the way, if you're not a member, seriously, sign up. We're really crushing it here. I'm doing these videos every night, and my goal is just to help you make money. And I'm showing you trades. I'm giving you the entries, the stops, the whole bit. And the membership's free for the first 30 days. If you haven't made enough money in the first 30 days to justify sticking with us, then cancel. Hell, I would if I was you. If I'm not making any money on a free service, I'm thinking, well, it's not really free because I'm spending my time on it. And so then just ditch it, okay? It's not a big deal. But my bet is you're going to stick around because you're making dough. All right, see you guys tomorrow.